Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change the HUD presets in Dying Light the Beast. At first, press the O button on your keyboard to open the settings or move over here and press options. Now make sure that you choose the second tab here, the HUD. On the top, by using one or three button, you can switch between the standard and immersive HUD preset. You can choose any of this preset you want. I like to use the standard one and then customize it in a way that I want, but you can do whatever you wish. That will be all for this video. Hope you like it, leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!